Adhan from the US, he said, what's the ruling on having magical tricks? It's an issue of dispute whether the magic that is haram is sorcery or anything that's magical. Meaning, scholars differed from long ago whether sorcery, which is haram, is the one that involves the jinn, black magic, special things you say, or it can also include potions, poisons, and things that have a chemical reaction that you do to have something done. So Imam al-Shafi'i used to say that things that are chemically induced or motivated, so you make something that has a chemical reaction would affect a person, this is not sorcery. That requires beheading and execution by the Muslim ruler. Other scholars say no, all is considered to be magic, black magic, sorcery, and it's all prohibited. And according to this difference of opinion, scholars acknowledge the sleight of hand. So if I do this and I get you a coin, or I take a flower bouquet from a hat and then take a rabbit, and then I don't know what happens. They said this is obvious. Everybody knows that this is a trick. Card tricks that people do. There's no jinn involved. There's no actual magic involved. It's a sleight of hand, deception. It's camouflaging my movement so that you don't see, and I do something afterwards that would maybe astonish you. This is not magic. Nevertheless, scholars say that just to be on the safe side, all of this is a package deal, all is haram. But as I said, there is a difference of opinion. I would recommend that you stay out of it. One of my grandsons does these magical card tricks, and he's very good in it. And he's, mashallah, hafidh al-Quran. But unfortunately, when you are like in 10 or 11 years of age, you tend to act like your peers at school, and he picked it up. So my advice is not to do it. But would I hold a stick against him? No. I think that this is a magical trick I can learn. No jinn involved, nothing is involved. But it's best to be safe rather than to be sorry. You don't know what the future holds for you. Maybe Shaitan would pull his leg and say, okay, let's go to try a disappearing act. Let's try saving ourselves from an aquarium filled with water, or a box filled with fire, etc., like they do. And this would be something unadvisable, and Allah knows best. This guy is at the brink, because what we always answer in our website, that watching material that contains kufr is sinful and a major sin, but is not kufr. So watching material that has magic, that has resurrecting the dead, that has jinn, the usage of jinn and the likes, this is kufr. To act with such things, or fortune telling, this is kufr. But if someone watches it as a movie or a soap opera, or reads a novel, this is a major sin or sinful, but it is not kufr unless he believes in it. So one has to refrain from it. Now, saying that a person enjoys it, this is problematic. I don't dare to say that this is kufr, but at the same time, I would refrain from saying that this is a major sin and not kufr. How would anyone enjoy seeing Allah being associated with others, or someone knowing the future, or someone claiming to have authority over thunder and lightning, and claims to be the son of God, as in Thor, for example, who's liked by many Thors like him? This is problematic to enjoy and to go all the way with such kufr. I would hesitate in saying that this is a major sin and not kufr, but I cannot say it is kufr. I refrain from commenting on this heinous and major thing, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.
Sorry, Sheikh, to go back on the original topic, but because I heard in the Quran, I think Allah says when you like hear those who like mock the verses of Allah, to like not sit with them because that would make you like them. So like I was just wondering, would that make us like? Would that be like a state of kufr?
This ayah is ayah number 140, chapter 4, Surah An-Nisa. And the tafsir of the ayah, the most authentic opinion is that it does not make a person a kafir. It makes him as sinful as they are. إِنَّكُمْ إِذَنْ مِثْلُهُمْ, in their sin, not in their disbelief, not in leaving the fold of Islam unless you believe in it. And this is very important because it opens the door for wiswas and OCD in your own Islam. So the most authentic opinion is that innakum idhan mithluhum, you are then like them in their sin, not in their kufr. So I hope this answers your question.